All right, Olivia.
Happy. Birthday. Oma. We. How did it do it? Love.
Get Emily a sign.
You. Can I see it?
Get Emily a sign.
Give Emily a sign.
Emily, here. Hold it the other way.
No,
It's gonna be the wrong way.
Say, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Gusa, can you say happy birthday to Oma? Look at the look at the camera.
We want to see that.
Say happy birthday, Oma.
Happy birthday, Oma.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.